Today we'll be doing a hot oil treatment that will help with moisture retention, improve a hair's elasticity, and promote hair growth. So let's get into today's video. Hello my Happy Nappy crew, I'm so excited to bring you week 4 of our Ayurvedic Hair Challenge. Y'all, the weeks are already flying by. Don't forget I'm 1 week ahead of you guys. This week we'll be doing a hot oil treatment as well as a co-wash because y'all, last week we did our henna treatment and our hair might need a little extra TLC, so why not do this bomb hot oil treatment to get this moisture back in our hair. So let's get into today's video. So today I'll be using my DHT Blocking Oil. To begin, I actually boiled some water and poured it into this cup to slightly cool. Next, I'll place my bottle of oil directly into this and let it heat up for about 10 minutes. Y'all, the addition of the heat does wonderful for your hair. Now, if you don't happen to have my DHT Blocking Oil, or if you don't have my Stimulating Ayurvedic Oil or any type of oil you love, you can make your own following this recipe. Use 8 ounces of pumpkin seed oil, 2 tablespoons of saw palmetto, 2 tablespoons of fenugreek, 2 tablespoons of amla, and 1 tablespoon of green tea. If you want to watch the full recipe, click the video on the screen. And y'all, let me tell you about the benefits of doing a hot oil treatment on your hair. And yes, you guys, I opt to slightly dampen my hair first with my oat and aloe leave-in conditioner before applying the oil to my hair. Now, I know some people opt to apply hot oil treatments on dry hair. And honestly, you guys, I've actually had optimal benefits for me using some type of water to slightly dampen the hair. Now, I'm not soaking my hair in water in any way, but the addition of the leave-in actually helps the oil to glide and more evenly distribute down the length of my hair, making for a more smoother application. And you guys, research said there are said benefits of applying it both ways. So whatever way works best for you, definitely give it a try. But let me tell you guys about the benefits of doing a hot oil treatment. See, the addition of the heat actually helps to enhance the elasticity of the hair by affecting the protein structure within the hair shaft. It actually helps to soften the hair, which allows it to become more flexible and pliable. The heat also opens the outer layer of the hair known as the hair cuticle, and this allows for more moisture and other substances such as the oils, and in this case, if you're using some type of leave-in, to penetrate more deeply and more effectively into the hair strand. Additionally, the softened hair fiber is more receptive to moisture absorption. So when you apply this hot oil treatment along with your moisturizing conditioner, the hair can absorb more moisture, leading to increased flexibility and elasticity as well. Additionally, when hair is subjected to heat, it undergoes a stress relaxation response. This means that the hair can endure more stress, such as stretching, without breaking. The heat essentially helps the hair relax and become more pliable. Some additional benefits of hot oil treatments include promoting hair growth by increasing blood circulation to the scalp. And y'all, the oil that we're using here, the DHT Blocking Oil, also contains some really powerful oils and herbs that help block DHT, which can lead to that male and female pattern baldness. The pumpkin seed oil, grapeseed oil, and apricot seed oil, along with many of the herbs like saw palmetto berry, stinging nettle, and green tea, have antiseptic, antibacterial, antioxidant properties that help prevent hair loss and rejuvenate the scalp and encourage that hair growth. Other benefits include enhanced shine and luster, again helping to smooth those cuticle downs and improving the overall texture of the hair, and also aid in detangling and reducing breakage. Additionally, guys, after the treatment is finished and the hair begins to cool down, the cuticle closes again, sealing in that moisture and nutrients from the oil. This contributes to improved hair elasticity, reduced frizz, and a smoother texture. And for me, you guys, y'all know I did my henna treatment last week, so it's really important for me to really get a lot of moisture and hydration into that hair cuticle to make sure you don't deal with any dryness or breakage that can come when using strengthening treatments. Now, I used a plastic bag and then followed up with my scarf to really lock in that moisture for as long as possible. I went about 2 hours before rinsing. Now, you guys, I know some people will probably have a heart attack, but I will only be co-washing my hair this week. Now, you have the option to shampoo and then condition your hair afterwards, but y'all, my hair needs some serious hydration and moisture. And when I'm rinsing out this oil, y'all, I am also using warm water. Warm water allows the oils and conditioners to easily rinse away And y'all, my scalp is not hating me for this. If you're someone who has scalp issues, dandruff issues, I would highly recommend shampooing the oil off your scalp and not focusing it down the length of your hair so you can still get some of those added benefits. Now y'all, I'll be using my Hibiscus and Chebe detangling conditioner. Y'all, I'll be only using this as a rinse out process. I'm going to apply this, use it for steam for about 10 minutes, and then rinse it out. And y'all, let me tell you, my scalp feels absolutely amazing. I'm going to do a little scritch test for you guys. There's no excess oil buildup, even though I did use quite a bit of oil in my hair. My strands feel really hydrated and moisturized. And y'all, I'm just ready for the moisturizing process. Now I'm going to go in with my oat and aloe leave-in conditioner, spray that on the length of my hair. If y'all can see, my hair looks really, really hydrated. It does not feel oily. Y'all would be surprised how conditioners can also help to rid product from your hair. Not only shampoos, but we have this preconceived notion that only shampoos can do so, but so can conditioners. So there's actually not a lot of buildup on my hair or my scalp. I'm also going to follow up with my Hibiscus and Chebe moisturizing styler. And y'all, this week I am sealing with a butter. We are in a severe snowstorm right now. And y'all, my hair needs the addition of the sealant. If you don't like butters, you can try an oil or you can try a gel to help lock in the moisture. I'm actually just putting my hair into very large twists to stretch it, and then I'll be putting it up into a top knot bun protective style. And y'all, voila, this is the style for the week. And y'all, this is a really quick and easy style. There are 2 flat twists down the side of my hair, and the rest is just pulled up into a bun. Now y'all, if y'all need any of the products that I mentioned in the video, I am currently having a 20% off sale that will last until this Friday. So definitely check out any products that you need or seen on this video. Alright you guys, that's it for this week. Let me know if you have any questions regarding the challenge. I will be live again this Sunday at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to know some other DIY oil treatments, check out the videos on the screen. But that's it for this week. I'll see you next time. Bye.